Good morning, students. This is Ratan Yadav, and I welcome you all the students of 8th class English lesson number 2 assessment. You can see here on the book comprehension. Question number A. Pick the most appropriate meanings of the statements given below. 1. The vicinity was one that kept early hours. The right answer is the people in the area went to bed early. Question number 2. The impressiveness was habitual and not for show. The right answer is his natural behavior impressed people because it was sincere. Question number 3. You have been under arrest for 10 minutes means for the past 10 minutes Bob had been in the police officer's custody. Question number 4. It takes the West to put a razor edge on him. The right answer is life in the West is very difficult. Question number B. Fill in the blanks. 1. The policeman on the beat moved up the avenue. The right answer is impressively. Second, in a doorway of a darkened hardware store, a man leaned with an unlighted cigar in his mouth. Point 3. I didn't hear at Big Joe Brady's with Jimmy Wells, my best chum. 4. The waiting man pulled out a handsome watch. The lids of it set with small diamonds. Now, question number C. Write T for true and F for false statements. 1. Bob and Jimmy were raised in New York. It is right. Second, Jimmy was younger to Bob. False. Third, Bob was confident about Jimmy's truthfulness. True. Fourth, the tall man in a long overcoat with collar turned up to his ears was Jimmy Wells. True. Fifth, Jimmy had become a police officer who met first the man from the West. True. Question number D. Let's answer the questions given below. Question number 1. What had the two men decided 20 years ago? Why? The two men, its answer is, the two men had decided to meet in New York because they wanted to be something big. Question number 2. Can you say that Bob was well off? Give reasons for your answer. Yes, because he had diamond in his car pin. Question number 3. How did Bob realize that the other man was not Jimmy? When the answer of this question, when Jimmy had left his hand, he realized. Question number 4. Compare and contrast the character of Bob and Jimmy. So you have to write the characteristic. Jimmy was honest, truthful, and Bob was dishonest and truthful. Question number 5. What does the note tell you about Bob and Jimmy? So the note you can write answer in 2 or 3 sentences. Bob was thief and Jimmy was policeman. But instead of this sentence, you can add 2 or 3 more sentences. Question number 6. Why do you think Bob's hand trembled a little when he finished reading the note? Because in a note, Bob's story was given in which police was searching to the Bob. That's why Bob's hand was trembled. Alright, so this is about the question answers. That's all for today. Bye bye. Take care. See you.